If you feel like your footage needs an extra layer of adjustment, something to elevate it and make it more visually interesting, perhaps using Optic FX can help you achieve it. Let me show you an example. This is a prism glass. It breaks light, therefore, when I hold it in front of the camera, it distorts the image like this. There are many types of optical distortions that can enhance the footage and give it an artistic touch. But doing it physically, in camera, might not be the easiest way to do it. You don't want yet another set of equipment in your camera bag. That's what we thought about at Pixflow. And we came up with the digital twins of these optical effects that can be used in post-production, giving you a lot more freedom to play with them. We call it Optic FX, and it has 18 prism-style templates. Once you get the pack and open the folder, you can see 18 effects that can be used in After Effects. You can either import the project file to another After Effects project you're working on, or open any of the projects you want and import your footage there. You can play with the options given to you in the setting layer to adjust the effect to your liking. Now, let's compare the effect we made with the prism glass in the beginning of the video with the digital version of it. You can see that the digital version creates the same kind of distortion as if you've made it in camera by a camera filter or a prism glass. You can use these optic effects for different genres like music videos, commercial videos, narrative films, and even wedding videos. The creative choice is up to you. If you like to add the optic effects to your toolkit, you can get it from pixflow.net and enjoy having these effects in your videos. But if you want everything that exists in our vast library, if you want to drive people crazy with the creative things you've used in your videos, you can get Pixflow's unlimited access and own them all. Don't forget, one single subscription for everything. Enjoy.